it really be banging. No cap, boy.
Make sure the baseline.
I'm floating on a cloud of smoke. I'm floating on a cloud of smoke. Yeah, floating on a cloud
Let
of smoke.
go. Jig Jang.
I'm floating on a cloud of smoke.
We bout to ride out to the honeycomb hideout. Yeah, this bitch got her thighs. I pass her the blunt when she get in. And fire that shit when we slide out. The players in motion, the vibe is so potent. We jamming these oldies, we rolling dope. By the end of the night, up on the city light. Shit, I'ma make your ass catch the Holy Ghost. That Don Julio kicked in. Now she going hard, man, she off the hinge. She got a car, we met her with her friends. We'll let the shenanigans begin. Now we out at the spot, these hoes some thoughts. I don't think this twerking gon' win. Now they all coming out they clothes. Goddamn it, Jig James done done it again. Late nights and early mornings is a bad habit. Having still nerves, but still a bad man for the cabbage. Branches of weed and a swish of sweets, I gotta have it. It's a bunch of twerking going on. I'm just in the zone, sitting here while I'm floating in the smoke. Yeah.
I'm floating on a cloud